So picturesque, so beautiful. Poznan! Butting heads. I love succulents.
Polish croissant.
We have found a hidden gem that we are going to share with you.
But we'll show you at the end of the video.
Yes. Keep watching.
Keep watching. We're exploring our surroundings. This is an old cash register.
Yes.
And it's got my name on it.
And come and get a little bit of fresh air. I want to give you a little taste of what we can see today. So do you?
Bitcoin.
Oh wow.
Starbucks is there.
Someone's gasping for coffee.
London is 1,170 kilometers.
That's our journey back.
Croissant, ham and cheese. And cafe latte and Americano.
This is our home for the next few weeks. Our kitchen is very functional. We got a workstation here.
We have the workstation over there. We've got edges here. There's a bed area in there.
Look at the greeneries. Our little haven. We've got a lovely view inside as well.
We're taking a walk into town, into the old town from our apartment.
And temperature is 32 degrees. They even have a weather warning. We are in the 4th day of September. They're actually coming through one of their parks, which is so beautiful and so peaceful.
And they have quite a few parks. We discovered a really nice one yesterday.
Yes.
Show you a few little clips of that one too. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. One of the malls, it looks like Galeria MM.
Galeria.
So we're going to check out this Galeria.
Yes. Well, this mall was not even on our itinerary, and it is very nice. Love the layout of fitness,
This whole floor is fitness and beauty.
shopping.
Nice copper bar.
Yes.
We've actually tried one of these out before.
Yes, it's
Crazy
on our
Bear
video. What an experience.
Look at the cups and the
Look
beakers
at
and the
them.
jugs they've got in copper. Amazing.
They are fabulous. Detox tea. I am detoxing. And then upstairs is
Here they've got, so you can play pool, you can bowling, temple bowling. There's also some other kind of game over there which you don't know what that one is.
well, I think we're going to have
Starts
to
us
come
up.
and have
There's so many things you can do
try.
up here.
It's really, really cool.
Oh, that's nice food.
Awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Where's the camera going today? I'm trying a traditional Polish croissant. Take a look. There's a sweet outer. It's got icing sugar, nuts, bursting with flavours. Latte coffee, quite creamy. The only thing we find, both of us, is that often hot drinks here aren't really hot enough for us. We like them really hot. This isn't too bad.
Oh, look at that now.
Here in the old square in Poznan.
And it is beautiful. Oh my gosh. The buildings. There's such a calm beauty here. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. So excited. Look at the artwork over here. Oh my gosh. That is so much detail. It's more beautiful in person. Spectacular.
Those ones behind you. They're just incredible, aren't they?
Absolutely incredible. This town, look at the little windows up the top. The detailing is phenomenal.
Hello, so this gentleman's making these
Goodness. When does the guns come out?
12 and 3 p.m. Okay.
The one with the goats, and you operate the little lever.
And they're butting heads.
Found at Ewedell. We did Ewedell in
Yes,
Wrocław, and they
we
do
did.
really nice hot chocolate. And they got one right here in Poznan. So we stopped at a place called Pilsner for a Pilsner. A nice big head. They like to pour their beers with a nice good head on them.
It means
That's the sign of a
quality.
good quality beer.
Yeah. They like it 2 or 3 fingers of just
And
the
I can vouch
foam.
for that. It is a good quality beer. A good quality water.
And you know what I love?
Oh, it's glass. I thought it was plastic.
I wish you gave me the thing of it. It's beautiful. So picturesque. It's so beautiful.
The artwork on that picture up there, that's incredible painting on that wall. There's so many amazing places. Everything is so perfectly kept, and painted and clean and tidy.
Remember, like, share, and if you haven't already, become part of our YouTube fam and subscribe. Oh my gosh, look at this part of the town.
This one.
And we've been looking at menus, and Mike is like, oh, no pierogies.
Quite enjoyed the pierogies in Wrocław.
And look what
And then walking back to the
what I
apartment.
just said.
Take a look at what we just saw. That right there is
Perugania.
Perugania. That's the one we went to in Wrocław.
Or boiled.
There is so much choice here of places to eat. I mean, this is just one of the streets we were just on our way back, and there's just eateries everywhere. Behind us is the main train station for Poznan.
It is huge.
I don't know what fire is happening right now, but it must be a big one.
We're off for another walk today. We finished over 13,000 yesterday. Amazing walk. We're in a beautiful
Another park.
Park T.W. Wilsona. And it's gorgeous. gorgeous park again. And we're going to a planetarium.
Yes, it looks really cool.
Have stepped into absolute beauty. Look at the fish. Look.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Which parts you get in Barbados. And if you check out our Barbados videos, you'll see some of the amazing gardens we went to there.
It's happening to be able to do all of this.
We've been here a long time, haven't we?
It just keeps getting better and better. It's what we used to make sorrow.
Maybe you'll find your hibiscus.
Look, the size of his mouth. I thought it was food. Look. Oh my gosh. And this cost how much?
To come in?
Yeah, £6.
About £6, I think.
Beautiful.
It's amazing, the flowers on this tree.
I love cacti.
This is
And
wild cacti.
they are. They're huge. So well kept.
To stop monkeys and things
Yeah.
climbing up it. Look, it's full of spikes. Piranha tank.
My goodness.
We didn't expect any of this. This is amazing.
This is stunning.
Come for a coffee. in the coffee shop. What a coffee shop.
Oh my goodness.
It's beautiful.
Poznan just keeps ticking the box and
You've
getting
got to come
better.
to this place.
I'm
Not many
better.
people come to. They come to Poznan, but they probably don't know this place.
Just go to the old
I mean,
town.
we stumbled across it by accident.
Well,
So
we live just less than 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Look at Mark.
the shakshuka, garlic, onion, basil, chives, and it's bursting with flavours. Bread and butter. They go through this tubing and they get into these boxes where they're collecting their building materials. And there's cameras inside the boxes so you can see what they're doing.
That's Joy.
Bring them up. We're back in the park again today because it's a festival.
Aren't we blessed? Less than 5 minutes away.
There's no shortage of honey here.
So guys, these are candles, but they look like desserts. Oh my gosh. They are stunning. There is a bread that's been given away. Mark has recorded earlier. We just thought we'd pop that again. And this is it now. Mark also would like to purchase. He's not careful. He's
Hello, I'm Cecilia. I'm doing here some kind of workshop with paper.
Make these.
Można z takiej siatki na komary właśnie. All you need is paper towel, water, and some ingredients like you can see.
There's dry flowers.
Yes, dry flowers or even quite alive.
That can be paper towel, bathroom tissue.
Yes. Some cloth with water, frames with nets. Put it on.
Just swish.
Yes. Downstairs. Okay, it's enough. Now we.
Okay.
Yes. Now we take this off.
And gently.
Gently. You don't have to hurry. But be careful with the fingers. Yes. And now you press to dry.
Press.
And dry. Squeeze and dry. Squeeze.
Oh my gosh. Wait till I tell the girls.
In 3 days, it's ready.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you. I cannot thank you. You've given a gift without even knowing. Natural soap. Yes. There is honey of all varieties. There is harvest. There is produce. There is a lot here. That's glorious.
And a lovely little place right opposite the park to get something to eat, and it's called Project Wilson Cafe. Got some burger and some chips.
Because everything is happening
There's a
today.
burger in there, and it's good to how you like it. So I said a medium, so you can have a medium, or rare, or well done.
We've been walking, we've been out and about at the festival, but we made it here. Mark has got a chocolate tart with nuts,
Cake of the day.
tea, and I am having today a white tea, still on my detoxing, a white tea with roses. drinking white tea with fresh, fragrant roses.
We're going to share some of this historic building that we are staying in. It has a history.
And
It
also-
is vast.
It's vast. And it has 92 steps. Wish us luck.
To tackle them.
Oh no.